Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. I just wanted to do a really fast update on this Bok Choy. You can see how large this plant is. It is unbelievable. It's actually starting to rot a little bit. I need to cut one of these out. I've already done one here last week. You can see if you leave it in the ground too long, it just starts starting to rot there on the bottom. But you can see the rest of the plant is absolutely amazing. I'd almost believe that this was grown in California, because I've just never seen such green leaves and such a healthy plant. Overall. Look at that. Just to put my hand there just so you can see how big this plant is. It's unbelievable. Yeah, and this thing needs to be taken out because it's already starting to bolt or flower here. You can see the flowers here. I've already cut a few of these off. But yeah, so that's it. Basil that I started off from seed. Very, very good. What else do I have here? I've got another one of these. You can see that it's already bolting here. So that needs to come out as well. And what else do I have in here? Oh, I've got celery that I started growing from seeds as well. And yeah, it's coming along pretty well. I've got more basil here, a little bit more basil there. And over here, yeah, I've got more basil under here. You can see that this location for this kind of plant is just not good. This here, I started out, this was, do I have that one listed? Fennel, April the 17th. I'm not sure if I did a video on that. I just started that off. I had 3 of these going and only one is coming along. And there it is right there. But anyway, yeah, so kind of fun. That cilantro is not mine. That's something that I bought. But anyway, so yeah, overall, pretty good. So this is just a little area that I have, just a small garden here on one of my decks. But anyway, there we go. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.